Hey guys, I'm Saion Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I'm the founder of 10xforthekids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it. And press that notification bell too so that you don't miss any of my videos. And without any delay, let's get started. And today our topic is JavaScript. And today we'll know what is hoisting. So, are you ready for this? I think so, yeah. So, okay, so let's get started. So, I'll go over here. I'll go to over here. Okay. Hoisting. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So, hoisting is JavaScript's default behavior of moving declarations to the top. Okay. JavaScript declarations are hoisted. In JavaScript, a variable can be declared after it has been used. In other words, a variable can be used before it has been declared. Example 1 gives the same result as example 2. Okay, so we have this example 1 over here. So over here we have assigned 5 to x before declaring it. So you should see my scope video. In that I tell you that if we assign something a value before we declare it, then it becomes a global variable. So that is not related to this, but like you should see it. Okay, so declare x, so we declare it over here, and this element, we are defining a variable equal to document.getElementById demo. So it is bringing this element and element.innerHTML. So this part, whatever we write over here, comes on the screen. So to display it on the screen, we have to do innerHTML is equals to x. So x is 5, and this is working. So like before, because like uh, this is hoisted, so variable x, this thing is hoisted at the top, so it comes over here at the top. Okay, so example 2, like this is the same thing, this will do the same thing. So but we are giving over here, so we have hoisted it ourselves only, so we have put it on the top ourselves only, so there is no need of hoisting, and this is the same result. So there's the same result, 5. Okay, to understand this you have to understand the term hoisting. Okay, hoisting is JavaScript's default behavior of moving all declarations to the top of the current scope, to the top of the current script or the current functions. So like over here, if I wrap this in a function, so for example, if I wrap this in a function, so whatever x, function x, let's do it in a y, because like we have made a variable x, so that doesn't like matter, but I'll keep it safe. Control x, command x, command v. Okay, so we have not called the function yet, so we have to call it first, and run. So this declaration is hoisted over here, not like out over here. It is like coming over here, so it is hoisted over here. Okay, so this is what it is. We are leaving this part right now. I'll tell about this in my later videos, about let and constant. Okay, so we are doing now JavaScript initializations are not hoisted. JavaScript only hoists declarations, not initializations. Okay, so example 1 does not give the same result as example 2. So like in example 1 we can print 5 and 7. So this is normal JavaScript. So like where x is equals to 5, initialize x, where y is equals to 7, initialize y, and then this thing I explained it before only. Okay, so it is printing 5 space 7. Okay, but over here in this example it will like show you something else. So like we are doing variable x is equals to 5, then we are doing this thing that I told you about, and variable y is equals to 7. Okay, so let's see what is this doing. So x is, this x is just coming from over here, 5. So x is 5, so we initialize it at the top only. And y is undefined, and y is y, so it is undefined. I should tell you why it is undefined. This much is a declaration, but this is the initialization part. So this declaration is hoisted over here. Okay, so but this equals to 7 is not hoisted, and this variable y is hoisted over here. So it does not have a value right now. It is just declared, but it does not have a value right now, so it is undefined. Okay, I hope it is clear. Does it make sense? Okay, sorry. Does it make sense that y is undefined in the last example? This is because only the declaration where y, not the initialization, is equals to 7 is hoisted to the top. Okay, because of hoisting, y has been declared before it is used, but because initializations are not hoisted, the value of y is undefined. I told you about that. Example 2 is the same as writing this. Okay, so this is the same as doing this. So we are defining variable y, we have declared it, we have used it, but it is undefined right now, so it will show undefined, and we are doing y is equals to 7 over here. So if over here in example 2, if I had like move this down below this, then it could have worked, because like it is above, above like the this initialization part, uh, not initialization part, this variables, variable y we have declared and initialized, so we have given it a value 7, and now it can declare, it can show the value 7. Okay, y is value 7. Okay, okay, so it was the same thing like this, like, okay. So declare your variables at the top. Hoisting is to many developers an unknown or overlooked behavior of JavaScript. If a developer doesn't understand hoisting, program may contain bugs. To avoid bugs, always declare all variables at the beginning of every scope. Since this is how JavaScript interprets code, it is always a good rule. So always declare your variables at the top of any scope. So like in a function, you should declare it at the top of the function. If you are making a global variable, then you should declare it at the top of the script. Okay, JavaScript in strict mode does not allow variables to be used if they are not declared. Studies use strict in the next chapter, so I will make a video on strict mode too. Okay, so we are done with this. Thank you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it and press that notification bell too so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys. Bye. Dab.